Today I'm going to share my tip on turning your SsamJang into a superfood condiment. We're going to add a variety of superfood seeds to our SsamJang and turn it into this delicious condiment paste, and your microbiome will literally thank you for eating such high nutritional seeds. Now make sure to watch to the end because I'm going to show you many ways that you could enjoy this delicious seed SsamJang other than just as a lettuce wrap, because it is so good, so good. 오늘의 레시피, 맛도 좋고 건강에도 좋은 씨앗 쌈장 만들기. 오늘도 여러분들과 영으로 함께 하겠습니다. 짠짠. Hi everyone, this is Helen and welcome to Modern Pepper. 안녕하세요, Modern Pepper의 헬렌입니다. The full ingredient list is available in the description box below, as well as the Korean ingredient links that you could order online. For our seeds, we're going to use 6 different kinds, but you can pick and choose whatever seeds you like to use. 2 tablespoons of pumpkin seeds, 2 tablespoons of sunflower seeds, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds, 참깨, 1 tablespoon of flax seeds, and 1 tablespoon of hemp seeds. Now, you can Google the nutritional value of these seeds, but let me tell you, your microbiome will be jumping for joy. To make our SsamJang, we need 1/3 cup of DoenJang. And DoenJang is your fermented soybean paste, 2 tablespoons of Gochujang. And Gochujang is your fermented red pepper paste. And if you can't get to a Korean market, you could order these online, and I will have the product link in the description box below. And for our vegetables, we need the following: 1 tablespoon of minced carrots, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. Only use freshly minced garlic, please. 1 scallion, green onion, finely minced, and 3 tablespoons of finely minced red onions. Red onions will add that natural sweet taste to our SsamJang. Set your heat to high and place your non-stick frying pan and preheat for about a minute or 2. Now, once your frying pan is preheated, we're going to lower our heat to medium. Then we're going to add 1 tablespoon of oil. Then we're going to add our vegetables into the frying pan. And we're just gonna saute this on medium heat for about a good 3 minutes. We just wanna sweat it out. And about 3 minutes later, our vegetables have become nice and soft and translucent. So this is ready. And we're gonna add our vegetables to our bowl. And to this, we're gonna add 1 tablespoon of 매실청. And 매실청 is your plum extract syrup. Now, if you can't get this, but you could order it online as well, you could add a tablespoon of honey, a tablespoon of agave, or a tablespoon of brown sugar instead. 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, 참기름, and some black pepper, about a 1/4 teaspoon. Then we're gonna go in and just mix everything up so that it looks like this. Ooh, it looks delicious already. Set your heat to high and preheat your frying pan for about a good minute or 2. Now, once your frying pan is preheated, we're gonna lower our heat to medium. Then we're gonna take our seeds and add them to our frying pan. Then we're just gonna lightly toast our seeds for about a few minutes. Just make sure to stand over it and constantly move the seeds around, because the last thing we want to do is burn or scorch our seeds. Then it would taste rancid and bitter. So it's been about 3 minutes, and I could also hear the seeds popping. This is done. So we're gonna turn the heat off and add it to our SsamJang bowl right away. Now this part's optional, but I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of 소고기 다시다. This is beef bouillon powder, and if you don't want to add this, don't add it. Vegan friends, you could use 연두 instead. Then we're just gonna mix all this up. Ooh. It smells so good. Alrighty. Oh, it smells so good. All right, now let's do a quick taste test. Just a little bit because SsamJang is a condiment. It's salty, so just have a little taste. The seeds are like, oh my God, taking over my mouth. Oh, just like buttery taste in my mouth. And then the SsamJang with the Gochujang and DoenJang is just like growing in my mouth. It's like having really, really good cheese. Like you put it in and then it just grows and grows in your mouth. Oh, 참 맛있어요. Now, it's important to know that this should not taste sweet. The sweetness should be just a subtle background taste. And if you want more of that crunchy seed taste, I would double the amount of the seeds that we just added in here. I mean, why not? As for storage, put it in an airtight container, then place in the fridge and eat it within a month. Now, if you're interested in learning more Korean recipes that you could easily replicate at home, make sure to go to youtube.com/modernpepper, click on that playlist tab and make your selection and I will see you there. And then when I'm ready to eat, I would just drizzle a little bit of sesame oil on top like that. Now, there's so many ways to enjoy your SsamJang. It doesn't just have to be as a lettuce wrap. So I'm gonna share my secret ways. So you wanna take a spoonful of your seed SsamJang, put it over your warm Korean rice, rub it, mix it, make it nice. And then I would add some kim crumbles on top and also add a little more sesame oil. And then you make yourself a spoonful of, oh, this is gonna be so good. It smells so good already. Like this. And then you go in. Don't forget to add a piece of kimchi with it, like that. Oh, you could eat this as your meal every day. It's that delicious. For me, at least. Bon appetit, everyone. So simple, but it's such a satisfying meal. Warm rice, kimchi, SsamJang, and kim crumbles. Now the other way I would have it is with some avocado and our SshAt SsamJang and warm Korean rice wrapped in our toasted seaweed kim. If you've never had this combo, you are missing out, my friends. And of course, you have to have it as a lettuce wrap, SangChuSsam. So take any lettuce of your choice and snap the root end off right here. Then we're gonna put some Korean rice. And remember, when it comes to making SangChuSsam, everything must be one bite size. So we're not making tacos or burritos. Then we're gonna add our SshAt, like that. Ooh. We're just gonna make it vegetarian style, and then we're just gonna add one piece of kimchi together, and then you fold it over, and then you wrap it on both sides. So until it's tight like this, and then you put it in your mouth. Jan jan. Korean lettuce wrap SangChuSsam is the bomb with the SsamJang. The SsamJang always is added to our lettuce wraps. And I also have my SsamJang as a snack with carrot sticks and cucumber sticks. You're welcome. Don't grab the potato chips. Instead, have your SsamJang with carrot sticks and cucumbers and you'll be satisfied and happy. I promise. Now, when it comes to lettuce wraps, of course you could have it with grilled pork belly, bulgogi, galbi, you name it. But we also have it with grilled fish. So grilled mackerel, 고등어 구이, grilled salmon, 인어구이. And my other favorite way is to have it with blanched cabbage leaves, 양배추쌈. Oh my goodness, it is so good. So all those recipes will be listed in the description box below so you could check them out. I want to thank you for watching today, and if you enjoyed watching today's video, I want to kindly ask you to click on that thumbs up icon and make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. And perhaps share today's recipe with your friends and family. 여러분 오늘 재밌게 보셨으면 꼭 좋아하는 버튼과 구독 버튼도 눌러주세요. 다음 영상에서 꼭 뵙겠습니다. 감사합니다. Alright folks, I will see you in one of these Korean video recipes you see right here.